Activity 2. Work in groups of 4. Do jigsaw reading and read the text about transferring money online.
Listen to the following procedure text about transferring money online taken from blog.orbitRemit. How to wire money online.
Step 1. First, you'll need to make sure you've signed up for internet banking with your bank. For most banks, you have to actually request this be set up. Just having a bank account doesn't mean you automatically have internet banking access. You will need to call or visit your bank to get this facility set up.
Step 2. Once you have an internet banking account, log into your online interface. You'll usually see a summary of accounts, along with a button that gives you an option to transfer money. This is the option you want to click on.
Step 3. You should now see a screen which allows you to choose which of your accounts you want to send money from, and enter the details of who you want to send it to. Select the account where you have the funds and enter the details of the recipient to send the funds to.
Step 4. Once all details are filled out, you should see a Confirm or Make Payment button. Click on this and finalize your transfer. The funds will then be processed.
Activity 3. After reading and comprehending the content of the text in Activity 2, answer the following questions.
After listening to the steps, answer the following questions. 1. Why do you need to visit the bank to get the facility of internet banking?
To get the facility of internet banking set up.
2. Why do you need to enter the details of the recipient?
To make sure that the money goes to the right number and the right person.
3. When will the funds be processed?
After finalizing the transfer.